Hello beautiful people and welcome up on Kiss TV. So today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Thank you so much for sending this over. This is like a auburn highlighted type of thing going on. Once again, I've been trying new stuff, you know, new year, me. Nah, but for real, I've been trying new styles. So this is not something I typically go for, but as you guys can see, it fucking eats. I love this. I actually will say on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair a 9. The only thing that would have made it a 10 is if it was pre-plucked more. As you guys can see, the hairline's kind of thick, but it still eats, but I didn't feel like plucking it. So if you have a little bit of patience, pluck it and it'll be a 10, a complete 10. It's super soft. It got this straight after like 2 passes. I only did 1 layer of the Touch by Misty glue, and then I touched it up with this and then the head wrap. It came with the head wrap, the deluxe wig cap, all that. So very easy to install. Also comes with a strap if you want to like sew the adjustable strap on the inside of the wig, if you want to do like a glueless type situation, which is very versatile. But this is not my first time working with Yolissa Hair, so I knew this hair was going to be bomb, but still, I still got to hit y'all with the honest review. Let y'all see how long it is. I'm 5'8". So y'all see how long it is. Very flowy, very soft. This is one company that honestly has good quality hair. Like, and y'all see how many times this hair has probably been processed and it's still really good. I'm not getting like shedding. As of now, I'm not getting any shedding or anything like that. Thank you so much for Yolissa Hair for sending this wig over. If you guys want to work with me again, just go ahead. You already know what to do. Email me, and I hope you do, because this wig is fire. But anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this side part, no baby hair look, then just keep watching.
With me, gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these sauces. 40 and key drop, tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop. I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soul, your shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights next year's looking lit. Laid up in somebody grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji, I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
But don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's work.